Pregnancy is one of the most physically demanding times in our lives, and eating a healthy, balanced diet is more important than ever. You should be able to maintain a healthy diet throughout pregnancy by ensuring a steady supply of vitamins and minerals, as well as balancing your calorie consumption appropriately between carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Consuming fruits and vegetables is the first component of a well-balanced diet. Fruits are high in vitamins, which are necessary for proper growth and development. Consuming a variety of fruits allows you to expand your palate while also covering all of your nutritional bases. With vitamins playing such an important role in our body's healthy functioning, it is critical that you ensure adequate intake during pregnancy. Furthermore, fruits and vegetables provide healthy calories and are filling as part of any meal or as a snack in between. Water is another essential component for a healthy pregnancy lifestyle. Water is an essential component of any healthy diet, and it is critical to stay hydrated wherever possible. This can be extremely beneficial in terms of ensuring the effective distribution of nutrients and keeping your body running smoothly. Combine your water intake with green tea, which has anti-aging properties as well as detoxifying agents to help cleanse your body. This will keep your body in top shape for the entire 9 months. Pregnant women should also significantly increase their folic acid consumption. Folic acid is a nutrient found in many grains and breakfast cereals that is essential for promoting healthy baby growth. By increasing your intake of folic acid and related products, you can help provide your baby with the nutrients it needs to thrive in the long run. Finally, refrain from consuming alcohol or smoking. This is extremely harmful to your health, as well as the health of your baby, and can lead to a variety of problems later in life. To avoid permanently harming your baby, you must abstain from alcohol and quit smoking. Eating healthily during pregnancy is obviously important for your baby's health, but there is no magic formula. By leading a healthy lifestyle as you normally would, you can ensure that your baby has the best possible chance of a healthy life.